Shredder DLK18TRC is easy to operate, so everyone can conveniently and safely handle it. It is installed with a supply lever method which is easy to operate because startup, operation, and crushing are all in one, and a brake for driving on slopes, and these enable the work to be safer and more efficient. A large amount of twigs can be inserted, and because there is no winding problem, anything can be crushed regardless of the species. The slot, sheath, and main body are retractable, so it is easy to maintain. Since it adopts hydraulic supply, you can operate it safely and conveniently. By solving the axis damage problem of idle roller or driven roller and using equalizer, it can drive smoothly even on the rough hills. Crushing tension brackets are installed independently, thus it also guarantees stability. Daerueg Machinery. Green company thinking the environment first.